So in this video, we are going to look at pitched square meters and how to use Buildxact to effectively complete square meter measurements for angled or pitched surfaces. We will also look at how to change the pitch after completing a drawing, as well as how to deal with multiple pitched surfaces on the same plan. So I'm in the roofing category on my estimate costing screen, and we are going to use this corrugated ColourBond iron item here to demonstrate how to do a takeoff for a surface with a pitch, in this case, a roof. Uh, I've already put my square meter unit of measurement in the unit of measurement column. So as soon as I click on the takeoff tool, Buildxact is going to understand that we're doing a takeoff for square meters. Now, we've got our drawing tools across the top here, but what I really want to point out in this video is this one, which is the angle or surface pitch tool here. I'm going to zoom in on my plan, and effectively I know that the main roof here is 22.5 degrees. I also have a 45-degree area of the roof here on top of the porch, so we're going to measure that separately. So first of all, what I'm going to do is click on this button here and enter in the degrees of the surface, in this case 22.5 degrees. We could also use the rise over run, but if I know that it's 22.5 degrees, far more easy just to type that straight in. And we can see that reflected there in the number on the angle or pitch tool. What I'm now going to do is select the polygon tool, which is actually on by default. And what I'm now going to start to track is the eave line, or the edge of the roof. In this case, this particular house doesn't have eaves, but it's going to essentially complete the exact same thing. So as I said before, the main sort of angle of the roof is 22.5 degrees. The porch is slightly different though, being 45 degrees. So I'm actually going to omit that from this initial drawing that I'm doing. As always with the polygon tool, once you want to tell Buildxact that you're finished, you want to click in the green dot here. And there we go. We've measured the main area of the roof. And we can see that we've got the drawing label here reflecting the degrees that we've entered in, and the measurement being 127.59 square meters. Now that that is complete, I'm going to choose a different drawing color, and I'm also going to put in a different pitch as well, which is going to be for the porch. As I said before, it's 45 degrees. And this isn't going to affect any of the drawings, or the one drawing that I've done in the past. I'm basically inputting parameters that's going to affect the next drawing that I do. So now that I've completed that, I can now start to mark out where the roof for the porch is going to go. Again, just tracking it around in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction using the polygon tool. And effectively what I'm doing now is I'm measuring this area is just at a different pitch of 45 degrees. So it's still using the same item. It's just the case that we've changed the pitch, which will affect the overall measurement. You can see clearly that these two items have been added together to form the total of 134.07 square meters. And before we finalize this, a great tip to note is that if you need to change the pitch once the drawing is completed, you can select the label of the drawing and actually make changes to the pitch here. So if you have made a mistake and you need to change it to something like 40 degrees, that's absolutely fine. Just click on the drawing, make that change, and essentially that will be added in. You can see now that it's 40 degrees. So that is how to complete a pitch takeoff in Buildxact. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to hit the Need Help button to browse our FAQs, tutorial videos, and message our support team if necessary. The Need Help button is just in the lower left-hand corner of the platform. And thank you. See you in the next video.